It is interesting to note that good performance and excellence exhibited by the schools has a very positive influence on the community. It has also been noticed that sometimes the community is dominating the school. But gradually, when the school gets a status in which it is counted or rated as a good performer, or it is named as an excellent school, the school becomes more dominating than the community around. So in that way, we can suggest that if the school staff, teachers and learners, they want to exercise dominance over the community, then they have to work hard for that in order to gain a good reputation as a good performer, as an excellent school, showing good results, showing good conduct, showing good behaviors, setting up role models, setting up excellent standards. And even if there are people in the community who would try to dominate the school policies, yet with all these merits, the school would be able to guide the community to a direction because they prove that they have the ability to do so. In other cases, where the school is not exhibiting all these features of merit and standard and expectations, the community would try to indulge more and more and probably pressurize the school to change the policies. There is a possibility that the policies which are being changed go for the betterment of the learners and the community. But there can be a risk that such a change in the policies is not going to result for the betterment of the students. Yet, because the school is not showing good performance, they are not heading towards their educational goals, their performance is below average, the community finds it to be a necessary need for them to be there and to change the policies which the school thinks are valuable. So that means, in that case, a lot responsibility lies on the school to gain the reputation of being able to guide the community instead of the community leading the path and the direction for the school to flourish. Stable administration is very important. It takes time to implement those policies, to experiment whether the policies are working or not, and then find out the fruit of those policies. After that, it has to be evaluated. So everything is going hand in hand like a chain. Every step must be followed. If the administration is stable, they can go hand in hand, one by one step after the other, in order to find out whether a certain policy has proved to be beneficial or not. Does it need some change? Or it needs to be continued as it is. All this demands time. And it can only happen when the administration is stable. They stay there to look at each and every step and assess what are the keys in order to open the doors, how to get the problem solved, evaluate the policy, and look for better results. Therefore, rules would only be established by people who are established by themselves. If the administrators are established, they would be able to establish policies and rules.